Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Well, this video is very late, everyone. This is the card kit for October. I'm featuring the Peace on Earth stamp set and the Peaceful Garden designer series paper. I'm using Misty Moonlight for my ink. And I do apologize. We had a strike here in Canada, as I'm sure you realize. And so I didn't make the card kits on time. And I'm just getting around to doing it now. So, you know, because other things come in play a lot of the times. Anyway, I did keep note on for my team and for those customers who shopped with me in October. They would have shopped with me in September in order to get this card kit. And anyway, I have it all organized, but so this is kind of like, I don't know what it's called, this technique, but it is using up some scraps. And folks should be aware that the scraps that you were given in the kit will actually be for both cards. So you get 2 cards when you shop with me and envelopes. And yeah, so be mindful of these strips. You don't want to cut them all like crazy because it'll fit 2 cards. And this is how it's done by, you know, trimming off, giving little haircuts to the strips, and then repositioning, like cutting down just the smidgen and repositioning. So basically I'm only on like, I don't know, half of the card. So yeah, and it makes it look really unique and pretty when there is only the strips of paper on that side. So those little strips can certainly last you a long time. You probably could make 3 cards out of this, but out of the strips that I gave you. Anyway, yeah, so that is a piece of basic white card. And of course, that lovely stamp from the Peace on Earth stamp set. And then any little bits and pieces here that I'm using them up. So all the cardstock all of the pattern paper is coordinating, comes from the same pack. So you can flip and turn as much as you like. If you don't like the birds, you can put the stars. If you don't like the stars, you can use the plaid. If you don't like the plaid, you can use whatever. Or you can throw it all in the bin and make your own from the card base that I have sent to you. That's okay too. There is no card police, I promise. So that being said, this is my card and you will have yours sent on your way shortly. Thanks so much for joining me. Leave some lovely comments and I will see you next time. Bye for now.